Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics, and you're right now watching Nifty 50 on 15 minutes time frame. So, this video I'm going to explain very quickly about how the ORB is working right now. I'll make a detailed video later on explaining each and every aspect and unfolding many new aspects of ORB along with the liquidity sweep. But right now, just what exactly is the bias of Nifty? Even after we have a good gap up today, it was a quick gap filling session since the morning since the first candle was there. The first 15 minutes ORB was described, it was defined between 24,250 to 24,156. It was breached, but then a very interesting fact that it was in between the ORB of an hour, which actually lasts for entire week. So that is the reason, in spite of there was a retest and there was a selling pressure there for the intraday purpose, I chose not to enter for any trade, for a sell side or for PE side in Nifty today, because I'll explain you why it is that. Because first thing is, it is in between the range of an 1 hour ORB, and I'll explain the later in my later videos about what exactly the 1 hour ORB is. And there is one more concept of ORB which not many retailers know. Only few people might be knowing about it. If you know about that, do let me know in the comment section. So that is about weekly range of the ORB and the monthly range of the ORB. So these two ranges works very, very, very fantastically. Just like in the live session, we are in live session of Nifty right now, and exactly from the bottom of the monthly range it has rejected, and see the kind of recovery it has given from the lows. So people might be in the selling position as of now unless they know the place where it has been going, the place where there is a buyer sitting at the bottom, and where they are pushing the prices up just like it is doing right now. And the price where it is rejecting as of now is the low of the weekly ORB here, and that price is exactly at 24,060. Now, for this particular video, I will just explain you what to do with Nifty if it is getting inside this range again and taking the support of 2460. It's a good buy. It's a buy signal here, and the targets will be 24,155 to 160. But if it is rejecting and going back, then it is a no trade zone in between 24,060 to 24,000, around 60 points of the range here. This range is not advised to take any kind of entries for either sell or buy, unless you are a scalper of one or two candles, because that will be a 60, it would be a range of 60 points. And if we are talking in options, and if you're having, for example, a delta of 50, so means you'll be having the range of the profit only till like 30 points or 35 points max. So that is what exactly is the strategy for a Nifty for the intraday purpose as of now. For the detailed video about ORB, the detailed video of how to trade these and what exactly is ORB, why it is used, because many people are not using it properly and they're getting their stop losses hit, and they're losing the capital just with one very simple small mistake, and one very big mistake of not understanding the core of what ORB is and why it is used. So on that note, right now it is just, let's concise it only for the levels of Nifty. So the level of Nifty's immediate resistance as of now while we're talking is 2460, which is it is breaching. Now if it is taking a support of this level, we can go for a buy with the SL below 2460. And if it is breaking down, then there is a no trade zone only for the scalpers. It's a good zone for a trade between 24,060 to 24,000. So that is all in Nifty as of now. See you soon with a detailed video on ORB.